Good morning, students. In this class, we will learn rationalizing the denominator. See, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Here, root 2 is a irrational number. We have to rationalize root 2. That is in the denominator. We have to rationalize it. So method is, so 1 by root 2 is equal to, so to rationalize this irrational number, we have to multiply irrational number to the numerator, and again we have to multiply same rational number to the denominator also. Why are we multiplying same number to the denominator? When you multiply same root number, you will get that the square root will go and number will remain. See here, 1 into root 2. 1 into root 2 is equal to root 2. 1 into any number is same number, value will not change, and root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So in the denominator now 2 remains. Now this is the answer. So denominator is now rationalized. Irrational number is not there. Now it was irrational number, now it is 2. So this way we have rationalized the denominator. Second example sum, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now here it contains two terms. In this only one term was there. In this it contains two terms. Now how to rationalize this denominator of this expression we will see. Now again here we have to multiply and divide. Multiplying and dividing same number 2 and 2, root 3 and root 3, but opposite sign. If it contains two terms, sign should be opposite when you multiply and divide. Plus becomes minus. Rest all will remain same. So 1 by 2 root 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 we have to multiply for the numerator and we have to multiply for the denominator. See, now this you have learnt in your previous class. So now this is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Same terms, here also 2, here also 2, and here also root 3, here also root 3. Only the change is here plus, here minus. So this is similar to the identity a plus b into a minus b. As you have learnt, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In this sum, in the place of a, 2 is there. So value of a is 2. In the place of b, root 3 is there. So value of b is root 3. So a plus b into a minus b form this. So we can write in this form. So a square minus b square. So 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 divided by a square. A is 2, 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. If you square any square root number, square root will go and number will remain. Square and square root get cancelled and number will remain. So 2 minus root 3 numerator as it is, and 2 square is 4 minus this get cancelled and 3 will remain. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 1. Now in the denominator irrational number is not there, so this is now rationalized. So 2 minus root 3 by 1, any number by 1 is 2 minus root 3. 3 by 1 is 3. 4 by 1 is 4. Same way here also 2 minus root 3. Next sum, rationalize the denominator of 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Again you have to multiply and divide 5 by root 3 minus root 5 by, numbers will remain same but sign different, root 3 plus root 5. So 5 by root 3 minus root 5 is equal to 5 by given rational number root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. This number you have to multiply to the numerator and multiply to the denominator. Root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 5. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 into, in the place of that bracket. Bracket, again meaning of bracket is multiplication only, root 3 plus root 5 divided by, again this is a minus b, a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Our a in this sum is root 3 and b is root 5. So a square is root 3 square minus root 5 square. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by, again square and square root get cancelled and 3 will remain. Here also square root and square get cancelled, and 5 will remain. 3 minus 5. 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Here you don't have to multiply, keep it as it is, numerator. 3 minus 5, you have to subtract, bigger number sign you have to put minus 2. Always after you simplify, in the denominator if you get minus sign, that you have to write for the numerator, that is actually multiplication sign rule. Plus into minus becomes minus, so that you have to write for the numerator. So minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5. So this is the answer. Fourth example sum, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to multiply and divide by 7 minus 3 root 2. So numbers same but sign opposite. So 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 root 2. 1 into anything is same, number remains. So 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Our a is 7, so 7 square minus b square. B is 3 root 2, not just root 2, 3 root 2. 3 root 2 whole square. So 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square is 49. So 3 root 2 square is, see, 3 root 2 square is m into n whole square is m square into n square. So 3 square root 2 square. 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is square and square root get cancelled and 2 remains. So 9 into 2, 18. So 18. So 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18 is 31. Last example sum, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 5 minus 3. Now here in this sum we have to multiply and divide root 5 plus 3. So 1 by root 5 minus 3 into root 5 plus 3 divided by root 5 plus 3. Root 5 plus 3, 1 into root 5 plus 3, root 5 plus 3 divided by a minus b. A plus b is a square minus b square. Our a is root 5 square minus b is 3 square. So root 5 plus 3 divided by square and square root get cancelled and 5 remains. 3 square is 9. So root 5 plus 3 is, again 5 minus 9 is 4, bigger number sign minus. So here if you get minus sign for the denominator, you have to write that for the numerator, but in the numerator no number. So you consider no number means you can consider that as 1. So minus 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 3. Now these are the example sums. Now you have to do homework. These sums are for you to try it and understand it. Refer example sums and do, and answers also I have written here. Check your answer. If you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you students.